So welcome to Crypto the Merchant Solution, and this is video number 141 on the series of crypto bots. And in this video we're going to discuss the RM market token in detail. We're going to see the analysis of this token using CoinMarket website and tradingview.com, and based on those values we're going to see the website and what the white paper of this token. And after all the analysis we are going to see how we can set up a bot of this token using Bitscape application and KuCoin Exchange. So name of the token is RMRK. The rank of this video is 149 on the series of crypto bots, and let us get started. So first of all, go to CoinMarketCap and search RMRK. So name of the token is RMRK and the ticker is also RMRK. The price of this token currently it is trading at a price of $1.5 and it is listed on various platforms such as KuCoin, SushiSwap, Gate.io, etc. It is having a low market cap of $14.2 million and a trading volume of 45,000. So based on the market cap value, it is having a ranking of 652, and based on the trading volume in the last 24 hours, it is having a ranking of 2452. And you can see that circulating supply is 9.5 million tokens already, and maximum supply is 10 million. That means supply is limited, and out of which 95% is already into blockchain. So that is a good thing. Only 5% is left for inflation. It is based on Ethereum contract, so you can check out the etherscan.io. You can see the holder section. First address is holding 19.6%, second address is holding 15.6%, and so on. So the holding of this particular token for various addresses is across the board. So a single address cannot pump and dump the market significantly. So that's a good thing once again. And now let us check out the main website of this token. It is having multiple projects. It is based on NFTs, that is the non-fungible tokens, pushing the NFTs further. So the main highlight of this token is that you can purchase some NFTs using this particular token, and based on those NFTs you can mint those tokens and trade accordingly. Also, there is one video on YouTube which is having a length of 2 minutes and 36 seconds. You can check out the video. And you can see we have limitless possibilities with the RMRK token NFT building blockchain system, and you can see multi-asset NFTs are available over here, and you can entirely check out the website using the link mentioned in CoinMarketCap. Okay, now we have the white paper as well. The white paper is RMRK documentation. We have multiple tabs on this white paper, like getting started, NFT 2.2 concepts, RMRK Legos, RMRK concept, use cases, and etc. You can check out the entire white paper and the website using the link mentioned in CoinMarketCap. Alright, so next is the price action of this token. Currently the price is $1.5. So what you can do is you can have the high price as $1, low price at $1, and the high price at $2. So this can be at $2 and this low price can be at $1. Now let us use the long position. So the upside is 32% and the downside is also 33%. So it's about 50-50 on upside and downside, both of them. Now go to Bitscape, start a new bot, grid bot, RMRK. Let us keep the investment is $100 for calculation point of view. Low price is 1 because we have said low price as $1 and high price is at $2. Let us keep 100 number of levels. Trailing up and down, both of the options are turned off. Now you can see that the graph is going down in the last 30 days. That's why the return is only 0.5%. Let us keep the trading fee at 0.08% and let us reduce the number of levels. So in that case, now click on backtest. 0.08. In that case, what is the 30-day result? That is 0.61. Okay. Now let us keep 50 number of levels and then click on backtest once again. It is now 0.51%. Okay. Now let us change the low and high price accordingly. So for keep the low price over here and then click on backtest. Now it is 0.88%. So 1 and 2 should be good in the long term. Alright, so click on continue. Exchanges KuCoin, the pair is RMRK. So this is the base currency and this is the code currency. Investment is $100. High price is $2, low price is $1. Grid levels are 50. So based on these three values, the grid step size is calculated automatically as 1.39%. So after you are satisfied with all those parameters, you can start the bot on Bitscape application. Now let us see how we can set up the same bot using KuCoin Exchange. Go to trade, go to trading bot, RMRK, click on this. Low price is $1, high price is $2. Let us keep number of levels as 50. Investment required is $10. Entry price not required, stop loss not required, and take profit price can be $2.01. So after entering all the parameters, you can set up the bot of RMRK token using KuCoin Exchange itself. So that's it for this particular video, and I'll see you in the next one.